Rachel. Okay, we will go on to our next part of our news balita ngayon. One-on-one news. On our one-on-one news, we will have live with us Mr. Baldomero, who known as the Foolish Snatcher. People that witnesses the foolishness of the snatcher says that wrong strategies are the main reason for being so-called foolish snatcher. The snatcher was caught by our news patroller and with us now. We excuse him from jail to come with us so that we can interview him, and later on the policeman will fetch him here to the police station. Okay, magandang morning, Mr. Baldomero.
Baldomero po, for sure.
Okay, Baldo, please state the whole story.
Ganito po yun, naglalakad lang po ako siya kung bibili sana akong palamig sa kanto. Sa may kalipapa. Tapos makita ko ang ali, naglalakad habang nagpapapicture. Parang may tatak ng black strawberry ba yun?
Simi lang po, blackberry po yun.
Yun, blackberry. Tapos bigla na pong kinuha, nagsisigaw po yung ali. Tapos marami pong nakita, bigla ako na out balance. Nagdapa po ako, tapos patingin po po niya, nakadapa.
Oh, so that's the story. Sorry, Baldo, but I think the people are right. Ha ha ha. Okay, that's enough for now. We will be right back in a minute here on NBN News Balita Ngayon.